Okay, so before starting the first project, let me show you the interface, what we see in front of us. It's quite simple and easy to use. By the way, there are 5 major parts. Here, just under the header, this is called the toolbar. On the left-hand side, this is the sidebar. In the middle of the screen, you will see the preview window. Next to it, to the right, this is called the editor window. And here, in the down section, this is called the file browser. By the way, the browser application and the desktop application has absolutely the same interface. The difference is, I will tell you later in another tutorial video. Okay, so let's start with the first one. This is called the toolbar. It's quite easy. Again, here you will see the search window. In the middle of the toolbar, you will see the name of the file. And here, to the right, these are the essential functions like adding files, uploading to stock sites or the FTP, exporting data, and some sharing, share it with your friends or anybody, and the settings. Okay guys, so let's see the sidebar. This is a very exciting part of the interface. Here you can see the projects. This is where you have to create your projects. By the way, you can create as much project as you like. It is no problem, there is no limitation. Below this is the cloud. As of now, you can work on your files that are stored on your Google Drive, the Dropbox, and OneDrive is also coming soon. And here, this is the stocks. Here you can connect your stock agencies. Okay, so what do we have in front of us? In the middle, this is quite easy. This is the preview window. And to the right, this is called the editor window. Here you can add or edit the different types of metadata. And here down below, this is called the file browser. Here you will see the list of the files. This is the files of the projects. With these little lines, you can change the size of the different parts. This is called the resize bar. You can pull to the right, to the left, and I think basically this is the whole interface. I think it's quite easy to use. I hope you will like it. So this is all. This was the interface. ASTODI, be organized, be efficient.